Yeah.
Attendance matters. Attendance matters. Attendance matters. Attendance matters.
Missed moments creates learning loss, which comes with the great cause.
Attendance matters. Attendance matters.
Without the knowledge that I need,
I'm less likely to succeed.
Attendance matters. Attendance matters.
Test scores
Decline.
'cause something's missing
From my mind.
Attendance matters. Attendance matters.
Being at school helps me to prepare for my future. I
Must be there.
Attendance matters. Attendance matters.
Zip codes don't determine success, so I
Show up and do my best.
being at school is time well spent. It helps me be more confident.
Attendance matters. Attendance matters. Attendance matters. Attendance matters.
Chronic absenteeism has to end, and you can help stop that trend. Learning happens every day, and that's why I have to say,
Attendance matters. Attendance matters. Attendance matters. Attendance matters.
Did you know that showing up for school every day is one of the most important steps you can take for your future? Every moment in class matters because it's a chance to learn, grow, and get closer to your dreams.